Hi, everybody, on a drippy Thursday afternoon. Last time I checked, I think 46 degrees out there. It's been light stuff. Ugh. Okay, here's what's going on. And I started to talk about this yesterday. Remember, we're still dealing with this border that's up to our north, where it's a lot colder up in Canada. Not that it's not usually that way, but this is a big change in cold air masses versus the milder air mass that we've been in. And this cloud flow here in the water vapor, it's just coming around a high pressure area here in the Pacific and then catching that boundary of the colder weather and just kind of shooting down into our area. This pattern does not look like it changes until we get all the way into Monday morning. Now, it's very possible that there are some, deeper bits of moisture coming and then the clouds may thin a little bit. In fact, there's a little break right back in here. So it looks like showers pick up this evening. Could be pretty wet when you get up in the morning, and then tomorrow afternoon, one of those potential drying periods where the clouds might thin a little bit, including your evening. Can't say a 0% chance of rain at any time between now and Monday morning, but maybe Friday later in the day in the evening is pretty quiet. Okay, let me get rid of that, and let me get back to my 7-day forecast and show you what's going on. Somebody's calling. Let me turn that off real quick. Okay, all right. Here we go. So it looks like this. We talked about tomorrow. Could be a quarter of an inch of rain, by the way, overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. And then Saturday morning, a possible shower, yes, but maybe there's some dry time. But in the afternoon, the rain picks up, maybe even before noon. There's an actual front that starts to drop down into us around 4 o'clock. So that's another shot of some heavier rain totals, maybe another quarter of an inch or so. And that continues into Saturday night. Now we get into Sunday. Grand Central Station around here. We get into Sunday. Sunday, to me, I don't think there's any significant moisture. In fact, it could be almost a drizzly kind of day from start to finish. And then that ends on Monday. Now, we switch gears then Monday night, Tuesday, Wednesday, into Thursday, and we get an east wind, and we actually start to feed off the backside of another shot of really cold, kind of modified Arctic air that drops down across the nation's midsection. We're on the backside of it, and by the time the east winds shoot that air our way, it will be considerably modified, but it sends in really dry air of dew points falling into the low 20s. That's why we have, freezing temperatures very likely Tuesday, Wednesday. Notice I have 26 in Portland on Thursday. Now, this will be an east wind, so maybe you live in a spot where the winds are gusty enough that your temperatures are quite a bit warmer at night. But if you don't have any wind, you could be down close to 20 next Thursday. So again, several nights of a hard freeze. I think the air is modified enough that even with an east wind that could be gusty in the usual spots, will still warm up into the 40s. So that's what we're looking at on the 7-day forecast. A reminder, if you're going up to the mountain, by the way, to check out my Mount Hood forecast. Here it is. This has great information. The current conditions at Timberline, Meadows, and Ski Bowl with the live cameras. I have the snow level forecast projections here. I'm going 1 to 4 inches tonight into tomorrow up on the mountain, 3 to 4 inches Saturday, 1 to 2 on Sunday. There's that great pass camera at Highway 26 showing you the conditions and the temperature at 32 degrees. And then if you scroll all the way down, you've got other pass cameras here, including Cabbage Hill 84 out across eastern Oregon, and also including the Siskiyou Summit, which right now looks fine, 37 degrees going down to California. So again, really proud of all of the information that I have on my weather site. You can find travel information over the Coast Range on the Coast page as well. And then, of course, the Gorge has its own cameras. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Sorry I talked so long.